The internet clashing with our legal system. The latest example, the John Goodman case, as a juror makes some startling revelations in a book he published online. With the explosion of the internet and social media, local lawyers say it's getting tough to get a fair trial.
CBS 12's Chuck Weber is joining us live now with how the courts and attorneys are adapting. Chuck?
Yeah, Eric, the big issue in the John Goodman case is this juror claims that he conducted his own drinking experiment at home related to the case. Judges have always told jurors to rely only on what they see in the courtroom itself, and that's an increasingly tall order in this age of internet and social media.
Defense attorney, I certainly wonder what else is going on in other cases that we just never hear about, we don't know about.
Veteran West Palm Beach criminal defense attorney Greg Lerman says the courts are doing their best to adapt to our new world of instant communication. Lerman recalls a recent trial where during jury selection, one of the prospective jurors was posting on Facebook negative comments about the legal system. The lawyers found out and the man was not selected.
It's very hard, and sometimes people just can't help themselves.
Michael Salnick, another veteran defense attorney, says social media and internet have become such a part of our lives, it's increasingly difficult for jurors to avoid information about the case they're sitting on.
I think it's a much more difficult atmosphere to get a fair trial.
Salnick represented Dahlia DiPolito. Her attempted murder-for-hire case attracted national attention. Salnick says he sees a huge difference in coverage of high-profile cases today versus 30 years ago, and it's changed the way he picks a jury.
A lot more questions I ask now about electronic media. A lot more questions I ask about blogging.
The good of it is you can find out what the public is thinking.
Defense attorney Gray Tash says social media is not all bad. He points to the Casey Anthony trial, where her defense team specifically hired people to monitor social media.
And they followed what was happening in social media and really kind of tailored their arguments based on that to help them win the case.
So, social media potentially useful for both defense attorneys and prosecutors in cases, but as we just saw there, potential pitfalls abound for both jurors and the legal system in general. Suzanne?